Humans are problem-solving creatures by nature. Problem solving always has given us meaning. Problem solving is the most powerful force in the universe. When we solve a problem, everything changes, starting with ourselves. Our psyche, our emotions, our self dissolves into a sense of possibility, and we want more. You can't know the lasting consequences of your actions, but we can tell you where you can start. Andamio provides a set of tools for building educational, organizational, and information systems that support people to collaborate in solving big, interconnected problems. Andamio enables groups of people to build high levels of trust at local scales, and when they are ready, to collaborate with a network of high-trust organizations to solve global problems. Please don't quit to your problem-solving nature.